Did you know the only unsolved plane hijacking in American history was pulled off by a man who was never even identified? On November 24, 1971, a quiet businessman calling himself Dan Cooper boarded Northwest Orient Flight 305. He ordered bourbon and soda, then calmly handed the flight attendant a note claiming he had a bomb. Cooper showed her a briefcase filled with wires and dynamite. His demands? $200,000 in $20 bills and 4 parachutes. But here's the crazy part. He stayed polite the entire time, even ordering another drink while they waited. After getting his ransom money in Seattle, Cooper released all 36 passengers. He then told the crew to fly toward Mexico at low altitude and slow speed. During a thunderstorm, he lowered the plane's back stairs and jumped into the dark wilderness below. The FBI launched their biggest investigation ever, checking over 800 suspects. Some ransom money washed up 9 years later, but Cooper vanished without a trace. To this day, nobody knows who he really was, or if he even survived that jump.